OLAP is conducting an interactive analysis of business transaction data stored in the dimensional data warehouse to develop tactical and strategic business decisions. Typical functionality in OLAP includes aggregating, drilling down, and slicing and dicing. OLAP functionality can be delivered using a relational database or using a multi-dimensional database. OLAP that uses a relational database is known as Relational Online Analytical Processing (ROLAP). OLAP that uses a multidimensional database is known as Multidimensional Online Analytical Processing (MOLAP). Data mining is a process to explore data to find the patterns and relationships that describe the data and to predict the unknown or future values of the data. The key value in data mining is the ability to understand why some things happened in the past and to predict what will happen in the future. When data mining is used to explain the current or past situation, it is called descriptive analytics. When data mining is used to predict the future, it is called predictive analytics. In business intelligence, popular applications of data mining are for fraud detection, forecasting, and budgeting, developing cellular, mobile packages by analyzing call patterns, market basket analysis, customer risk profiling, usage monitoring, and machine service times. Data warehouses are used for customer relationship management, CRM. CRM is a set of activities acted by an organization to manage and run analysis about their customers, to keep contact and communicate with their customers, to captivate and gain new customers, to advertise product and services to their customers, to conduct transactions with their customers, to service and support their customers, lastly to propose new ideas and create new products and services for their customers. In addition to customer relationship management, data warehouses apply to web analytics. Web analytics is the activity of understanding the behavior and characteristics of website traffic. This includes finding out the number of visits, visitors, and unique visitors on each page for each day per week per month. Web analytics are especially important for online businesses. Data warehouses are a read-only system. This means that users cannot update or delete data in the data warehouse. Instead, a standard mechanism called ETL is used by bringing data from the operating source system. This differs from transactional systems where users are able to update the system at any time. Data warehouses do not let users update the system to allow data consistency between different operational source systems. In addition, data warehouses are taken in batches made by the ETL system as the warehouse is overwritten with new data. Now there are two reasons data warehouses update in batches. One is data stability and two is system performance. Data stability is where the system sets an interval to update the data as it dynamically changes over time, be it seconds or minutes. Having to update in real time would make analysis difficult due to the constant change of data within the source system. System performance is data warehouses update in batches instead of real-time because it requires time to collect data from tables and multiple source systems. If a large source system were to have its data consolidated in real time, the performance impact will affect the application. Real-time updates in data warehouses occur when new data within the source system is created. The data warehouse is immediately updated. This can be done by installing database triggers to every table or modifying the source system application to update the warehouse after updating the database. This reached a pragmatic approach to have key tables update in real time while the others are updated in batches. Previously, data warehouse ETL updates data in mini batches which occur less than a day and might reach in minutes. There are approaches for data warehouses to send data. Pull and push method. Pull method updates the data warehouse in certain intervals. The push method lets the source system push the data into the warehouse, updating it immediately when there are changes within the source system. Some approaches to sending data asynchronous from source systems to data warehouses are messaging and messaging queuing. Messaging is a data transport mechanism where the data is wrapped in an envelope containing control bits and sent over the network into a message queue. Messaging queue is a system where messages are queued to be processed systematically in order. The downside of asynchronous ETL systems is due to different pieces of data arriving at different times without knowing the other's status of arriving. This is why a messaging queue is created. One of the benefits of the messaging queue is the source system sending data to a data warehouse offline to receive it. Another benefit is that the source system sends the data once to a messaging queue and data consistency is guaranteed as several recipients receive the same message.